The heart of the Galaxy S23 Ultra is finally official. The absolute make or break feature that will decide everything is the chip on the Galaxy S23 series, and it's finally official, revealing some incredible capabilities along with some new Samsung X Qualcomm secrets. Before we even discuss what CPU and GPU gains we're going to see on the Galaxy S23, let's talk about how Qualcomm has brought some insane Samsung specific camera ISP changes. Yes, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is custom designed to handle the Samsung ISOCELL 200 megapixel sensors, meaning it will unleash an incredible camera performance on the S23 Ultra, completely optimized. Along with this, Qualcomm says that you'll be able to take high resolution photos with almost zero shutter lag, which is one of the key areas where Samsung needs to improve, so it's finally happening thanks to Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. We also get video performance up to 8K HDR in 10-bit at 30 frames per second. With this power, Samsung might actually finally unlock the true uncropped 8K video on the S23 Ultra. Now, for the first time ever, Qualcomm has introduced a brand new cognitive ISP, which, as the name suggests, is going to make the camera ISP a lot more smarter than before. It will automatically enhance photos and videos in real time using the AI. It will have full awareness of the subjects and surroundings, for example, the faces, hair, clothes, skies, trees, pretty much what is in the scene. This ISP will be able to pick things individually and enhance every detail, which is going to make everything incredible. What's important to note is that it applies to videos as well, not just photos. So we are bound to see some incredible video performance on the S23 series. Now, if you haven't been a smartphone gamer, well, now may be the best time, as the Adreno GPU promises up to 25% higher performance with up to 45% power efficiency. It is indeed the world's best GPU on any phone. Yes, people, this means even better than Apple A16 on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Imagine the best gaming performance on any smartphone out there on the Galaxy S23 Ultra. It cannot get better than this. Now, as for the CPU, Qualcomm promises 35% higher performance with up to 40% higher efficiency. We actually just got the benchmark leak for the European Galaxy S23 series. Yes, people, it is finally officially confirmed that Samsung is bringing Qualcomm chips all over the world, including Europe, UK, pretty much everywhere. Qualcomm is here to save the day. The scores are looking incredible, and now we have the efficiency to match the numbers. And last but not the least, as reported earlier, Wi-Fi 7 is indeed coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. This is going to unlock the fastest internet performance on the S23 series with up to 4 times the speed of the Wi-Fi 6 of the current smartphones. And to top it all off, we also have the support for the latest LPDDR5X RAM, meaning Samsung will be implementing their latest RAM that they announced a few days ago on the Galaxy S23 series. So there we go. Qualcomm has made the most important part of the S23 series official, which is the 8 Gen 2 chip. It will make the absolute make or break difference when it comes to the performance, battery life, camera enhancements, and much more. I'm super excited to see everything in action. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Now that we're getting the best hardware on a Samsung phone in years, are you looking for an upgrade? Drop your thoughts below. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.